All right, let's look at the work for number 6. 2 4/10 times 6 1/10. Now, you do not have to line up the decimals, but on this one, it just did. It's not a big deal. Normally, they do not have to be lined up when you're multiplying. All right, so we're going to multiply just like we were multiplying a two-digit number. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Now, I finished with the first place over here, the tens place, or the tenths. And now I'm going to go to the ones place, okay? But when I go ahead and do multiply by 6, I have to put a placeholder because notice the 6 is in this spot. That means that answer has to start right here. So, placeholder, 6 times 4 is 24, carry my 2. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. All right, 4, 6, 4, 1. Notice I didn't do anything with the decimal until now. So let's look at the decimal. I have one digit here, one digit behind this decimal, one digit up here behind the decimal, one digit down here behind the decimal. That's a total of 2 digits behind the decimal. That means where does that decimal have to go for there to be 2 digits behind the decimal? Well, if I put it here, that's 1 digit. Nope. I have to put it here. That's 2 digits. 1, 2. Now here's the next thing. Think about it. 2 times 6 is 12. Notice 2 times 6 is 12. Isn't 12 and then 14? That's why the decimal goes in that spot. All right? So your answer is 14 and 64 hundredths. 14 and 64 hundredths.